Let's go, let's go. Summer's here, the wasps are coming back. I'm not ready for this. Let's go, let's go. Morning.
Are you open yet?
Yeah, I can serve you guys.
Are you sure?
Yeah, it's fine.
I've never been this early before.
Hey.
Can I please get a chocolate
Croissant, sure.
please? I've got cash in. Do you take cash?
I do, yeah.
Thank you so much.
Thank
Just
you.
keep that change.
Thank
Thank
you.
you.
Thank you.
Can I get almond croissant?
I'm sure. Us apple crumble brioche. Dennis.
Oh yeah, I'll get one of them. Are we the first ones today?
You are the first
Are
ones,
we?
yes. You are the first ones. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Have a good day. Cheers. Good morning. How are you? Good.
Lots of choice. Can I
Lots
get
of
a
choice.
sourdough?
I'll get the gloves.
This one.
So that's apple crumble Dennis.
Oh yeah. Can we take 2 of these?
So let's start with bread. Oh, that's not a good bread. Sourdough.
Two
Two.
of these, 2 sausage rolls and a sourdough. That'd be perfect.
Sure. I was thinking about it today. That there will be.
It occurred to me they're
Yeah, there will be. I'm not looking forward to it.
I think it's that. They must be living in there.
Yeah. One sausage roll?
2.
2. Yeah, I don't know. I need to do something about it. But I mean, I will escape soon. I'm going to Mozambique in a few weeks.
Oh, okay.
So at least June will be. It's just yours.
Is that the Danish?
Well, actually, no, it's in here already. 2 Danish and sourdough
Sourdough.
sausage rolls. Yeah. Thank you. Morning.
And then collect it on the way back from my run in half
Oh,
an hour.
sure.
Right, a sourdough.
Sourdough, yeah?
And I'll go for a brownie. Just don't run out by the time I get back from my run.
Yeah,
Always a
quite
big
possibly.
queue. It's always a big queue.
Hi,
Morning.
You alright?
Yeah, how are you guys?
Yeah, not too bad, thank you.
Good.
Right, cinnamon bun, is that right? 1 cinnamon, please, and a sausage roll.
Sausage roll.
I'll let you choose a sausage roll.
Cinnamon for
I
you.
can't spot one that really takes the preference.
Let's see. I think this is a good one.
There you go.
There you go, sir.
Superb.
Thank
Done?
you. All
Thanks a
done.
lot.
Thank you, sir.
See ya.
Morning. No, Jenny's, yeah? Where's Jenny's? Where did I put it?
She says she paid for it online.
Yeah, she did. Yep. Oh, here we go. Okay.
I noticed that they're closing the road here.
Oh, for Monday?
Yes.
Yes, and
Just Monday.
it's just Monday. I'm assuming it's just for the fete. I'll be there as well. I'll be here.
Oh yeah, okay.
Yeah, Monday.
Right, well I'll tell them you're here on Monday, but Friday will be normal again.
Friday, yeah, I'll be back. It'll be normal.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm hoping it's just Monday.
Okay, thanks very
Thank you. Morning. I'm good. You?
Could I get 1 sourdough, please?
Sourdough, sure.
1 cinnamon bun and 1 pan of chocolate.
Sourdough. So apple crumble Dennis.
I'll have one of those as well.
Sure.
Love apples.
Sourdough, cinnamon,
Yes, please. And cinnamon pan of chocolate and one of the
apple crumble, sure.
please.
This pastry sourdough, sure.
And 4 sausage rolls.
And sausage rolls, please. Thank you. So, like that, you know what you want.
And a cinnamon bun.
And cinnamon, so. Thank you.
Thanks.
Good morning, sir.
How are you doing?
I'm good. You?
Yeah, well,
And sausage roll.
big steak.
Thank you, sir.
Have a good one.
Thank you too.
Enjoy the weather.
Thank you.
Yeah, I'm good. How are you doing?
Good.
It's a lovely day.
It's lovely.
Can I have a sourdough,
Sure.
please? And are they almond croissants?
Almond croissants,
Oh, I
yeah.
didn't think we were going to have any today.
Yeah, I wasn't planning to, but I felt like I can't.
Popular demand.
Yeah, exactly. I can't miss them.
Yeah, can I have 2 of those?
So,
And is this one of your apple?
apple, yes.
I'll have one of those.
So. Oh,
Yeah, almond croissants are my favourite.
yeah, they are really good.
Very
actually.
popular.
Yeah, they are really good. Yeah, well done. Thank
It'll be a
you.
lovely weekend,
It
isn't
is indeed, yeah. Barbecue weekend.
Do you have
Hey,
a croissant?
I do want to have one croissant for you. Here you go.
Can I have, what are these ones?
It's apple crumble Dennis.
Yeah, one of those, please.
Sure.
And a loaf of white bread.
White, yes, I think I do. Right.
That mushroom and cheese thing
Yeah.
was amazing.
Ah, thank you. I might on Wednesday. Oh no, Monday. I'll make some
Oh, they were
for
so
up
good.
for so.
Oh yeah, we've got standard debate as well.
Ah, you are you?
Yeah.
Oh. Yeah, it should be good. The weather's good. Looks good.
Yeah, it's been awful the last few
Yeah.
years, so it was quite
Beach
nice.
off, please. Yeah. Yeah, it should be nice.
Thank you.
Thank you. Good morning, sir. How you doing?
I'm doing good, thank you.
I'm good. Long time no see. Actually, this is
I've been busy boy, but
be going to America again. Flying. Apple crumble, pain chocolat, sausage roll, and the white.
you've got old croissants, haven't you?
I do, yes.
Can I have 2 of those? And
Sure.
can I also have one of your coconut new things? Because I've
Sure.
not tried one of those, please. Bud.
I got
Thank
first
you.
one for now. So 2 almonds
2 almond
and a
your-
coconut,
one of
yes.
your new coconut buddies.
Yes.
Oh, busy, eh?
Busy, busy.
Good man, that's what I like to hear.
2 almonds. And
Oh, I wish I brought a bigger bag, eh?
that should fit. There you go, sir.
Big-
Thank you, sir. Thank you. Cheers. Thank you. Morning, sir.
Morning. You got a white those, please?
I think so. Yeah, just one, yes. The last one again.
We take 2 sausage rolls, please.
2 sausage rolls. Those.
And then 2 pain au chocolat, please.
2 pain chocolat.
What are these on?
So apple crumble Dennis.
We'll take 2 of those as well.
Sure.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Have a good
Have a
weekend.
good weekend.
Thank you. Yes, 1 sourdough and 2 buns. Thank you, sir. Thank you. Good morning, guys. Good morning. How you guys
On
doing?
YouTube.
Oh, thank you. Where are you coming from?
North London.
No, wow.
Yeah.
Wow.
Okay.
Thank you for taking the trip.
No,
The car's
that's not
there.
right. Yeah, because we've got the kids in.
Ah, you drive.
Right, yeah.
Yeah, it's fine. 10 minutes. Give you 10 minutes
Oh,
before
okay,
the
yeah.
That's good. Okay, can we have one sausage roll, please?
sausage roll, sure.
One brownie, please.
I'm brown, huh? Oh, look at
Do you have any sourdough?
that. I do. I should, yes. Yes.
Yeah, the fruit one.
The fruit one, yes.
Croissants to almond, please.
Almond.
I just thought we were going to buy everything.
That one at the front, please.
That one.
Yes, please.
There you go.
Do you have any chocolate croissants?
Pain chocolat, yes, here. We'll put this inside here. Pain chocolat?
Yes, please. The coconut.
Coconut.
Yeah, coconut, please. Can we get a
I think
What's this one?
this is apple crumble Dennis.
Can we get an extra
Almond?
almond, please?
Sure.
This one.
An
Like,
extra brownie. I have a channel, so
do you?
if I tag you on it.
Oh, you can tag me, yes.
Okay.
That's not this one.
Oh, sorry.
Yeah, send me an email. I can
Yeah.
subscribe to your channel.
Oh, thank you.
Of
Oh,
course.
thank you, Leo.
Thank you.
Thank
Thank you.
Bye.
Bye bye. Hi.
Can I get 2 brownies, please?
Sure.
And then 2 sausage rolls, please.
Sure.
Thank you.
Of course.
And then,
Right.
sorry, can I please get in the other one? Can I get
Sure.
one of the brownies and one of the pan of chocolate, please?
Sure.
Thank you. Sorry, I'm buying for 2 people.
That's okay.
Yeah, that's the thing I've
You want it? Thank you. And then could I get a coconut in a different bag?
Sure.
And then could I get one of those and one of those in the same bag?
Sure.
I'll put it now. I'll do it.
I should start with this and then. Yeah.
Can I have one, please?
Sure. Do you want one of them?
Yes, please. One
Sure.
of them and bread.
And a fruit, sure. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank
Hello,
you.
sir. How you doing? I'm good. You?
You got the
Good to see
gun
you.
show going on.
You got the gun show going on.
I sent you an email this morning, but I'm not sure if you
This
got
morning?
it.
Oh yeah, no. This morning, no. What? Where
Do
is
you have any sourdoughs left?
fruit sourdough?
Which one?
Fruit, raisins.
No normal ones?
No, they're finished.
How can they be finished? I think you eat.
Pre-orders. Look, this is
Fair enough. Okay. All right. I will go with four cinnamon buns,
4 buns.
3 sausage rolls, 2 brats. I have to go unhealthy now that you don't have
The bread.
the bread.
You say 4, yeah?
Yeah. How are you been?
Yeah, good. Busy.
We missed you on Saturdays down
And nice was yes.
but is it 2 of those?
2.
Is the new locations work well for you?
It's alright. It's picking up. It's busy. It was busier last year than this year. And 2, 3.
Why do you think that is? Are people
I think it's me. I've not been advertising as much as I used to. 3 or 2.
3 please?
Sure.
And what are those guys?
This coconut brioche.
My wife hates cooking.
She hates it. Ah.
I'll tell you what, I'm going to try one of these apple biscuits.
They're really good. Yeah. Apple crumble Dennis. Well, you got to test. Test. The thing with this, when you touch the cream, if it tastes bad, it's just like, whoa, it's like ignition. Well, the verdict is, it's nice, very nice. That was good. Catch you guys for the next one. Peace.